What is up, everyone? We're back with another video today. Today's video, let me tell you a little bit about yesterday's video. I forgot to connect my mic and there was no audio, so I'm really sorry about that. If you guys would like to see, we can go on a quick recap of what I did. I mean, I was just backtesting, and then I also took a few trades. Not took a few trades, but I did take a trade. Yesterday we took this. So I entered here. We had a CP1 right here. We closed out for four contracts here, and then I had 3 contracts running, and then I closed the other 3 here. We were up about 400 on the day, pretty good. 500 on the day, pretty good, honestly. I'm not mad with it. I'm happy. But today we did end up taking a loss as well. Our account, ooh, okay, lock is ended. But where's my account balance? Right here, we're down to 49.4, which is honestly like, oh, it's whatever. 609, market just opened up again. That's the type of reactions we're seeing. Not bad. I'm not worrying about right now. We are not trading right now, but we're gonna be back testing, and yeah, we're gonna do a bit better. I'm gonna figure out we're gonna back test a week worth of data. Here, I'm gonna just put the light higher. We're gonna be back testing a week per video. So right now we're sitting at Friday. I mean, it's Friday here. So let's get to Sunday. I don't know if I wanna. I saw something. It was like, instead of trading time, trade price action, which really just like kind of hit me. I was like, yeah, low key. Yeah, it's Friday. Okay, we'll trade. Wow, what a fucking news scandal. Anyways, yeah, it's Friday. It's about to be 9 a.m. So we'll start from this Friday to the next Friday. All right. I mean, honestly, this seems like a data play. We can throw it in, see how it plays out. About 290 fucking points, which is a lot, but what is our, it's probably a 1 to 2. Do about 3. I want the 5 minute as well. I would want really around a 1 to 2.7. So let's see how this were to play out. Even coming in at 9:30, around 9:30, we went a little lower, push higher. We need to be out this trade by around this time, before the market closes. %100 break even. If I see a break below this low, honestly, wow, we're about to get touched. I mean, I would have moved it there. It's not letting me anymore, but let's move here. We'll probably get diddled out. We got a couple minutes out. Boom. I mean, okay. Let's analyze. We were floating about $1,000 profit, even higher, but that's where we exited. I mean, we had a pretty solid entry. I mean, we could have done a bit better if we. Yeah, I mean, like, of this little range right here. Here it is. Here, this would have been the best entry if we got entered right there, but it would have been a 1 to 6. Or it was like a 2 point. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, let's get on to the next week. Okay, I mean, we saw previous day high, or yeah, we have swept previous day highs. London, I mean, we're fairly bullish. This is where we market opened. We do have this huge imbalance sitting, but let me check my quick. I'll check that later. You have this huge imbalance sitting. Let's just wait till we still got a little bit of time. Let's see what we get. I mean, ideally we are bullish, but we could cash some shorts. Oh shit, boys. The Sunday, this was my birthday. Okay. 9:25, 9:30, straight to the upside. I mean, do we? We have this high right here. If we do get a sweep of that, I would be wanting to enter. It would be pretty solid liquidity sweep and thing, but let's go on the higher time frame, see if we're rejecting off of anything. We are rejecting this fair value gap right here. Just turn the SMT thing on. Yeah, okay. Oh no. I would say and we can, one of my known targets are midnight open. Midnight open is a target I like to use. I haven't been using it as much recently, but let's see how it does play out and let's see if we do get tapped into there. We have that around right, the open is 136. Right there. Let's just get this labeled. And let's see how this plays out. Other way around. I like just leaving these here as a trail, as what I can see. Really a 10-point stop loss, and midnight open is 55 points, so that is really a nice 1 to, what is this, 1 to 5? Oh. Wow. Bro, pre-market is fucking just bullish. Well, we really just got diddled. Wow. That was way too fast, but yeah, no, that was just way too fast. I mean, fuck it though. Let's see what happened here though. Did we reject off of a? That's not a fair value gap. Yeah, I see what's going on here. We rejected this 1 hour fair value gap, so a better target could have been we got into that consequent encroachment. That could have been a much better target. It's at midnight open, but What time is it now? Next day. So let's just skip to 9 a.m. All right. So right into market open, we do manipulate lower, and then go right back up. 15-minute. I mean, we did touch that midnight open, previous day midnight open. No, we didn't even tap that. But anyways, this could have been a very nice trade. We reject off of, what do we reject off of? We reject off of this 30 minute, 1 hour. Yeah, just very clean price action. We reject off of this fair value gap and we just go for that push higher. And wait. This is what we're looking at. Yeah, hourly. We tapped into this hourly fair value gap. And we go into the CE of it. Boom, perfect. Yeah, we tapped right into the CE of this fair value gap, and we just went for that push higher. Well, it's about 10 a.m. So let's look at our daily profile. I mean, to me, it just looks like we're gonna be going higher, but we have tapped. We did sweep previous day highs here. Tap in. I think this is gonna be a pull. Yeah, this is the one that tapped in. So honestly, targeting. We can target a couple of things here. We have the. Let's go on ES. We could target that. Boom, perfect 9:30 market manipulation. As in a long position, we will have about a 20-point stop, 18-point stop, and okay, no, this isn't realistic. We need to go back on IQ. Give me a minute. I think we're gonna want to tap into this. Entry wise, long position. 100-point stop loss. 206. Okay. So here we have a 1 to 3. Let's see if we can get in with a better entry. Pull our OTE. If we do, I'd want to see at least something discounted. 48-point stop. 30. I believe that we would want to tap into. Honestly, just off this inverse is just like, wow. I think we're gonna come. Okay, that is why we do market orders. Price will not want to come back. So we really just had a missed entry right here. Targeting 300 points, bro. Cancel order. We're just gonna have to cancel everything. Don't know why it just says 3 here and 3 there, but oh no. But yeah, I think getting the right idea. Let's just move on to the next day. 15. Where's market open? We have market opener a little before this, so we can just push in towards that. Alright, I'm not even gonna look. I'm not looking, guys, don't worry. Come on. Okay. I mean, at least we get to see the manipulation. I mean, okay, that's the opening candle. So, what did we do as soon as we open? We manipulate up. And well, I think we're just going to distribute lower. So, but we got to figure out what our targets are going to be for the day and night. So, yeah. We're way too close to that. Let's see if we get catch any pullbacks. I mean, we inverse. We're just accumulating here. It's just really choppy. No distribution. Okay. I think this is going to be a stupid position. This is going to lose. I know this is going to lose, but I'm going to show myself why we can't be entering off of FOMO. Let's say we're going to target these lows right here. Coming, actually, we didn't even do our daily analysis. So let's just get all this bullshit out the way. Okay, coming in, we don't sweep that liquidity. We almost sweep it on ES, but we do get a push down. I think we're just gonna come in, reject off of, I mean, we have an equal, we kind of have like an equal low situation going on right here. Not here. I mean, we could be looking at a nice SMT divergence as well right now, so that could be a entry confluence. I mean, we're just completely bearish. We swept that low, even though ES swept that low, NQ didn't take the low. Equal high SMT is pretty promising, and we could honestly just target that our draw of liquidity from yesterday. We'll go a little bit more contracts, and we'll have a higher stop loss. But we need confirmation towards the upside. So I'm just gonna, yeah, okay. I think we can go for a 1 to 4 at least. What is this? 1 to 3. Yeah. Okay. We're just gonna buy. You know what? We're just sticking to our lot size. Buy. Stop loss here. TP right here. 1 to 3. Let's see how this plays out. Okay. Best believe we had the entry of a series and we took that low. That's why we do better entries. That's around 1057. I mean, move for the day would just, I don't know, this is bullshit. This is just chop. This is gonna choppily make its way up there. Bad market conditions. Wednesday, May 8th. Yeah, not a good day. I mean, maybe off of this, but I think it would be way too late then. How many points is that? Nothing good. Just gonna skip to the next day. And where is that? Okay, so we did take that high, finally, and we went much higher. Holy. So even by yesterday, or yesterday technically, like within the charts, we did get a really nice push up. We closed. No, we didn't close there. We opened and went straight for that draw. Let's go on the 4 hour and let's see what's going on. Is this all-time high? No, it's not all-time highs. Okay. So we've made it up here so far. I mean, we're gonna have to do this on a daily. I think it's just gonna want to make its way back up to all-time highs. I mean, we pull back heavy, get into that 17 zone, and we're pushing back up. How many points in a month? Don't know what this is. 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 We can get rid of that. But okay, we can honestly just go super simple, and we can target a high here. We do have this imbalance right here as well. You could see a potential. If we see any rejection within that zone, then we know we can go for shorts. 3 minute, what time is it? 21:57. We got a whole day, so let's just actually tap into our 1 hour confluences. And yeah, I think we're gonna want to pull back into this. I mean, let's just see how it fucking plays out. Okay. It's about to be 9. Let's just move this around to 9:30. Could be coming down just to this liquidity. Okay. 3 minute, we inverse this. What did we tap in? Did we tap into anything? Not a fair value gap. 4 hour. And we kind of have an equal low SMT situation here. That's what we did before. I mean, we could be coming in easily with a good target. We have a good target here, midnight open. We haven't seen much from this session from it, but this backtesting session, not the trading session. But it's about 10 a.m. We could enter long. S&T didn't fucking hold. Well, tell me something I don't know. What did this guy send me? Stop vaping?
Good tip to quit smoking. Just don't smoke. Just don't. Just blink and say, okay, I'm not going to smoke anymore. And then you just...
Yeah, tell me to stop vaping. That was a pretty big loss. I mean, if we do tap into the CE of this fair value gap right here, I would want a. Okay, let's see something. This is called backtesting, so we're gonna be testing. This is basically test. Okay, find 5 right here, and our target could honestly just be that liquidity. Hopefully we don't become liquidity. So let's see how this plays out. Wow, we became liquidity, boys. We are losing. We didn't close above here. No, we're consolidating. Shit market conditions. What are you gonna do? Did we fucking yes go? We sweeped it. Alright, 12 p.m. You know it's lunch hour. Jews are gone. These guys are pumping up the markets. They're like, oh fuck it, I wanna get. Jews are gonna come back. They're like, yo, I wanna get in. What the fuck is this? Why am I not in this? You know what I mean? Let's go on the 5 minute. Okay, boom. We're gonna catch an entry. Hopefully, I know we're gonna catch this entry. Jews are not gonna let. They're at lunch right now, guys. We're gonna get a little buy position right here. We're not even gonna. Okay, I'm joking. We're gonna set our stop loss. I do not want to see anything low here. Okay, Jews wanted that super Jewish entry coming in the 0.78 zone. Market's gonna close right here. So that trade did not play out. Could have had a much better entry. Came past that 0.78 zone. I mean, maybe I'm not pulling in my OTE correctly. Yeah, no way. What the fuck was that? Yeah, until look at least this range. Yeah, right here. Well, not a good trade. We're gonna have to exit and close this position. Not our session, not our times. And we're on Friday, so this is gonna be the last day. Okay, let's see what we're coming into. Let me just make it a little bit easier for ourselves here. We are rejecting off of whatever the fuck that is. I mean, do we have a daily? Yeah, we are rejecting nicely off the daily. We still have that high sitting up there. Ooh. Ooh. What a candle. Like, on some real shit, what a fucking candle, man. You know what I mean? The shit had more done here than here. But yeah, no. I'd be looking just to target this high. Previous day high would be my daily target. I'd say we can come in nicely there. And this does look like even okay, wait, let me see 4 hour wise. Consolidating, accumulation. I want to see manipulation, and then we'll get some distribution towards the upside, and we can honestly just come in at even just this high right here. Like, this is a really okay. Now we have to get a sniper entry. It's not 9 a.m. Yeah, what am I worrying about? We have been accumulating manipulation. We take that low. I'm fucking at 5 more. We have a $420 stop loss, and our TP is all the way up here. So this is what we're coming in on the day, which is really just absurd. We don't trade ES, so I don't even know why I'm doing this. Put that there. Let's go back on MMQ. See what's going on. Okay, it's not even 9:30 yet. Oh, this had to be news. Okay, I'm so stupid sometimes, cause what the fuck happened here? We even touched my stop loss. Thank you. Okay, wait, no. Let's see what's going on. We got in on this continuation, entered off the inverse. Our goal is rejection candles, though that's what we are backtesting. We are risking about 1 to 5 RR. And we did get stopped out. Realistically, we would have gotten break even, but that is a week's worth of backtesting for you guys. So appreciate you guys all watching. Pre the haircut. Just need to let it marinate, but thank you guys all for watching. Tomorrow's Thursday, and hopefully we do have good trading setups tomorrow. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Take care.